So in this video, I'm going to show you something called absolute cell referencing. Now what this does is it keeps a formula locked in place so that you can keep reusing it. Imagine you have a number of figures that you want to use, but what happens if there is VAT over here and it's 20%, all right? Watch what happens when I do this. So I'm going to work out the VAT of each item, but if I did equals this, all right, the price times by the VAT amount, okay, I can actually repeat formulas. But the problem is this doesn't work. You'll notice it made everything as zeros. Now, we can do something called absolute cell referencing, and you can see here it's given us a suggested fix by putting the dollar signs. All right, let me just show you how that works. So if I did equals C5, so I clicked on it, times G4, if you select the first cell reference, what you can do is press F4 on your keyboard and it locks it in place. That now means that if I wanted to, I could reuse that. I could click on the dot and repeat that all the way down. So all you do to lock a cell and to keep it for when you're multiplying it, you can do absolute cell references, lock it in place, and it allows you to repeat it. And that's an absolute cell reference. So all we're doing is the cell that you want to maintain and not move about and refer to, you put a dollar sign before and after the letter, and that allows you to repeat your formula all the way down by clicking and dragging the dot.